checking you out.
No way, no one ever checks me out. I swear, I'm on a one-way track to becoming a nun.
Stop, we're going to find you a guy. You just need to come out with me sometime instead of lying around watching Netflix. I swear, you must have watched Friends like 8 times.
Hey, I like that show, and it makes me laugh every single time I watch it.
Whatever, next time I'm going out, you're coming with me.
Yeah, we'll see about that. Hey, did we use a key to get in? Jen, how many times do I have to tell you to lock the door before we leave?
I was sure I did, but I must have forgotten again. I'm sorry, I'll remember next time.
You better.
What if I let in an axe murderer? Or a complete psychopath? Or our neighbor who can't wear deodorant to save his life? Oh wait, we'd smell it if it was in here.
Stop it, you're not funny. You know stuff like that scares me.
Fine, I'm sorry. Do you want to take a tour of the apartment? That'll ease your mind.
Yes, please. Jen, is that you? Jen, stop it! It isn't funny!
Dude, you scared me. Not cool.
You scared me first. What are you doing up?
You kept snoring, so I couldn't sleep. What are you doing up?
I need to pee, and I don't snore.
Well, I guess you do now.
Hey, did you eat my apple that I saved? It was the last one.
What? No, you weirdo. Why would I do that?
Huh. That's weird.
Hey, have you seen my blue hoodie? I swear I folded it yesterday.
Yeah, I know. I saw you fold it, but I haven't seen it. I can't find my sweatpants either.
Okay, I must have misplaced it.
Could you maybe turn off the stove after using it? Do you want to set this place on fire or something?
What? Have you ever seen me use the stove? You must have just forgotten to turn it off.
Well, how could I if I didn't use it either?
I don't know, but it's not me. Stop being a nerd, we're eating out.
Okay, fine.
Love it when you let me take you out. Okay, I love you. Good night.
Yeah, I love you too. Good night. Jen?
What? Jeez, don't yell like that.
Okay, this is getting weird. My room was a mess before we left, and now it's all clean. Everything's in order. First, things disappear, then the stove is on even though neither of us has used it, and now I come home and my room, which was an entire mess, is completely in order. But what if there's a ghost messing with us?
Girl, I think you're pretty tired from all the studying you've been doing. Okay, we're going out tonight because you need to get your mind off of things.
No, I need to study. I have an exam tomorrow.
Fine, you suck. Enjoy the ghost. Good morning!
A gruesome double homicide just took place in this apartment last night when two women were found dead with their throats slit. The neighbors called in last night and the police already have a lead. The main suspect is Jackson Lancaster, an escaped mental institution patient whose MO is to sneak into random apartments whose doors were left unlocked and torment its occupants until leaving them in a pool of their own blood, like a cat torturing a mouse before killing it. Please remember to always close your door.